9. Slowing down.
There's good scientific research done which shows that exercise, and particularly exercise in the natural environment, has a positive impact on the serotonin levels in the brain and can help depression and anxiety. It's surprising how often people are alienated from then the natural environment, particularly people who live in cities.
We like doing a little bit of everything. It's very much an old model. It's quite fun. You could be decorating one day, you could be in the polytunnels, you could be planning a wedding, you could be cooking.
At the moment, I'm thinking about our lost connection with the wild, wilderness, and the boundary line between what it is to be human, what it is to be animal.
People tend to become family. Suppliers tend to become family. Guests tend to become family.
To be in touch with nature and gives me great pleasure, and my work within schools in the built environment can be quite stressful at times, but it's counterbalanced by knowing that I'm living a relatively healthy lifestyle and not contributing too much to climate change, hopefully.
You never know where that seed's going to land. It was a really important part of putting on the exhibition to raise money for environmental charities. Rhys didn't take any money from the sale of his paintings. So we raised quite a considerable amount, really, and the money was split between 2 charities.
Understanding cooking with wood, the right woods to use, how to use them in combination, how to manage the fire, understanding how to make my own bread from scratch. I'm very obsessed with sourdough, cultivating my own leaven. I can't sew and I can't make my own shampoo from a nettle, but I do know the people who can.
But we don't need loads of money. We don't have expensive holidays and we don't have expensive cars and we don't buy expensive clothes. The things we like to do don't generally cost anything. So I think the freedom and that is all about not needing a massive wage packet.
And I think if you're happy in your life, you can be an example, not just an example, but a really positive one, and show that it's actually really nice to live like this, and I feel good about myself most of the time.